Hello, little yogis. I'm so happy you are here today. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Today we are going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and happy. Roll out your mat, take a deep breath. Let's get started. Let's begin. Tree pose. Lift one foot, balance like a tree, stay still. Good job. Star pose. Step wide, arms out, be a big star. Reach to the sky. Reach up high, stretch tall to the sky. Rainbow side bend. Lean side to side like a rainbow. Warrior pose 1. Step forward, arms up, strong and calm. Warrior pose 2. Arms wide, look forward, stay strong. Chair pose. Bend your knees, sit low, like a chair. Good job. Flamingo balance. Stand on one leg, hold still, balance. Forward fold. Bend down, reach for your toes. Downward dog. Hands down, hips up, make a big V. Cat pose. Round your back like a cat. Cow pose. Drop your belly, look up, open your chest. Child pose. Sit back, stretch arms, rest. Puppy stretch. Arms forward, chest down, stretch. Low lunge. Step forward, bend your knee, reach up. Butterfly pose. Feet together, flap your wings. Good job. Seated forward reach. Sit tall, reach forward, touch your toes. Easy pose. Sit cross legs, hands on knees, calm. Twist pose. Turn your body, look back slowly. Boat pose. Lift your legs, balance, hold. Good job. Good job. Hands on heart. Hands on chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Hug yourself. Give yourself a hug. Feel happy.